Hey YT, I just have a quick question for you guys using Redmi or Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. This one is like 1 year and 6 months old. So problem is, every time I try and use this phone with the camera, it will just restart and it will do nothing. It won't boot anymore unless I plug in a charger. So I was wondering if anyone experienced this kind of problem and how you resolved it. So I'm gonna try do it right now and show you my problem on the Note 7 Pro. Okay, here we go. There you go. As soon as I press the camera, it's not doing anything. Just keeps on flashing like that. The only way to use this phone with the camera is that you plug in a charger. So I'm gonna plug it right now. Sometimes when I'm watching videos on YT or Facebook, it will start acting up and then it will restart, keeps on booting up and won't do anything. I haven't tried the factory reset because this phone has a free sub or a free subscription on the HBO Go, so I don't want to do a factory reset. So this one will take some time and then it will boot up to like normally. Now I can still use the camera if the charger is plugged in. So there you go, it's booting up right now. And then I'm gonna go back and try show you guys if indeed I can use the camera. It's the only way. How can I use the phone? I can only use it when it's charged. So I'm gonna press the camera right now and see if it will work. There, it's working if it's plugged in, right? So I hope someone resolve this kind of issue, since I don't really like to replace this phone. I really love the way they designed this phone. It's glass on the back and on the front. So please comment down below if you resolve this kind of issue. Okie dokes. No, I'm not okay.